Hello guys, in this video I'm working on soft exercise on division of positive and negative numbers. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump in immediately. Hello guys, welcome once again. Now if you had watched my last video, I gave an exercise. These are the questions I gave, and I asked everyone to actually attempt it and see if you can do it. So today I will be solving them today. So let's jump straight to it. Now the first question says minus 100 divided by what? 2. Remember, once in mathematics, once a number is standing on its own, we assume that number has a positive sign. So we assume that we are going to assume that this 2 here has a positive sign. Let's take it back. We assume this 2 here has a positive. I don't know why it's okay. So let's assume that the 2 has a positive sign. So we're going to first solve the signs. First of all, that is minus. The minus that we have at this 100, minus we have at this place, then positive that we have at this place here also. That is minus divided by what? Plus is what? Now go back to this. Now look at this box here. I've written down guidelines, what will actually guide you while solving some multiplication or division of negative numbers. You have to understand how to multiply and divide negative and positive signs. I have a video. Please, you can go to my channel and check on the videos. You will see one that has multiplication and division of negative and positive signs. I talked about the golden rule there, how to guide you to do anything under this. So I have it here. So this is what I'm going to use now. Plus divided by what? Minus is what? Negative. Oh sorry, minus divided by plus. Sorry, minus divided by plus also negative. Yes. So which means minus divided by what? Positive here is what? Negative. Then 100 divided by what? 2. That is what? 50. That is 50. So my answer of that number 1 is what? Minus 50. First of all, solve the signs. That is minus divided by what? Positive is what? Negative. How did I know it's negative? Because of the golden rule. When we have two signs multiplying or dividing themselves, it gives us positive. But if they are different signs, it gives us what? Negative. Go and watch the video, please. You need to watch it so you can get it properly. So move to the next one. I have minus 22 divided by what? Minus 2. First thing first, solve the signs. So minus divided by minus is what? Positive. Why? Because they have the same signs. Dividing themselves give us a positive. Also check here to confirm minus divided by what? Minus is what? Positive. So I write my positive first of all before I start. Then 22 divided by 2 is what? 11. Straight. It gives me what? 11. Now, remember, in my last video I said something that I also said it in the beginning of this video when you had these two at this place here. Once a number is turned on its own, we assume there's an invisible positive sign there. So this is plus 11. It's not a must you add the positive sign, because once I see it, I know it is plus 11. So it depends on how the question is being asked. So that's my answer, plus 11. Now let's go to number 3. It says, remember I have what is going to be an invisible what? Positive sign. It will be an invisible what? Positive sign that will be in this place here. An invisible positive sign, because there's no we can't see any sign there. So I have the same thing, solve the signs first of all. So that is plus divided by what? Minus is what? Give us minus. Plus divided by minus is what? Look down here. Plus divided by what? Minus gives us what? Minus. So let me write down first. Let me write it first of all. That gives us what? Minus. Then 77 divided by what? 7 gives us what? 11. Yes, that's correct. So my answer here is what? Minus 11. Minus 11. Now, number 4 says 36 divided by what? 2. Now look at those two numbers. Since we can't see any sign in front of them, we assume they are what? Both positive. They are both what? Positive. So I have plus 36 divided by what? Plus 2. Remember, first thing first, multiply the signs. That is the first thing you have to do first. Multiply the what? Signs. So plus times plus divided by what? Plus divided by what? I said multiply the signs. No, I mean divide, because doing division now. I'll divide the signs. That is plus divided by what? Plus is what? I know it's going to give us positive. Look down here. Plus divided by what? Plus is what? Positive. So I will not add it. I don't need to put it, because I know that it's still going to give me a positive number. So 36 divided by what? 12 by 2. Sorry, 36 divided by 2 is what? It gives us what? 18. 36 divided by 2 is what? 18. So I just need to write what? 18. So looking at this 18 now, once I see it, I assume that what? There is an invisible what? Plus sign here. Even if I do not add it, I assume there's an invisible or positive what? Sign to it. So I hope you understand it properly. If you're yet to understand it, please, I have other videos just like this that will enable you understand it better. Check it from the part I said, from the how to divide and multiply positive and negative numbers. Start from that part, then move to the multiplication part and division part. You need to understand it very, very well, very simple. So, and if this is your first time of watching my video, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to our videos, and also share this video with someone who might also need it. That will be all for today.